Alright guys, I'll run around the parking lot real quick, probably take it off road. It's on 3S. Remember this a 2150 kV. So it ain't really got that much power. Plus I think this is a bad 3S battery. Spot over there, I'll probably take it over there. Get back here and rip it up. Thinking this way they're gonna build the other layer right here. Oh. With the Ecx Ruckus 4x4. So it did hold up. I did get some onboard footage with the GoPro Session 5, well, a Hero Session 5, and I did get some with the GoPro 7. So we're gonna see which one was more stability. Well, y'all should already seen it, so y'all should just let me know which one was more stable. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Was on 3S, still has the same setup in there. Fun little truck. I just was out here already doing a video, so I figured I would take it over there off-road. Didn't have really too much jumps over here, but it was decent. Anyway, thanks for tuning in.